Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to join a group on Band app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you don't have the Band app, what you need to do first is head over and open up the App Store. Then on the search bar type in Band and look for an app icon like this on your search list, then tap on it. Inside you'll find the Get button, simply tap on that and then follow the on-screen prompts to successfully download the app. Now once downloaded, simply tap on open, and if you already have an account, simply tap on login to log in with the credentials, or if you don't have an account, simply create one. Then once you're inside here, in order to join in a group, what you need to do is simply tap on this search icon on the top right corner of the screen, then enter in your band name, for example like, and then hit on search. And once you do that, then hit on search, and once you're inside here, locate the band group that you want to join. Simply select it, and then you'll find the option that says join this band. Simply tap on it, and now here, if you are required a premium membership, then you'll need to subscribe to premium to join the selected group. If you don't need it, simply tap on join and then selected band, and you will be able to join the selected band group. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.